Hello and welcome to Quick Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an SEO optimized blog post article using free Claude AI tool. I'll also show you how you can create a skill in Claude and use that skill to generate more articles. So you don't need to enter the same prompt again and again to generate more blog post articles. You can use the same skill to generate more articles. So I'm going to show you what is the exact prompt that you can use to create a skill in Claude AI, and this is the checklist that I used in the prompt. The word count of the article should be more than 3000 words, number of H1, H2 and H3 tags that should be used in article. The primary keyword should be in H1 heading, primary keyword should be in first paragraph, keyword density should be less than 1.5%. I also need table of contents in the blog article, FAQ section, call to action in conclusion, internal link suggestion and external link suggestion, meta title length, meta description length. So all these factors are nothing but on-page SEO checklist. So the article that is created using Claude should validate all these parameters and it should give you an SEO optimized article that you can publish on your blog post. Let me show you an example. Here I have created one article using Claude AI tool, and this is the keyword that I use to create an article. So I just entered the topic and the keyword, and after that the Claude AI has generated the full article. You will see that it has given me the SEO title, meta description. This should be the URL slug, and these are the secondary keywords which are used in the article. So this is the article that is generated. This is the title. We have the table of contents. This is the H2 tag, and then we have H3 tags. If I scroll down, you will see the entire article is there. This article is more than 3000 words. You will also see comparison table there, and there is FAQ section also. You will see it here, frequently asked questions, and here you will see conclusion, internal link suggestion and external link suggestion, and then we have schema markup. So it is also going to create schema that you can put on your blog post. Here you will see how to schema and FAQ schema. So I can use both the schema codes on the blog post. And this is the SEO checklist. It has already validated the entire article against this SEO checklist. Total words are 3200. There is one H1 tag, 12 H2 and 30 H3 tags. So you will see the summary at the end, and this is the Word document that is created by the Claude AI. I have it downloaded, and now I can use this article to publish on my website. So I'm going to show you how you can create a skill in Claude and how you can get SEO optimized blog post article.
Subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel for easy tutorials on AI tools, AI agents, WordPress, web design, automation, Elementor, WooCommerce, and more. Press the bell icon and stay updated with every new video.
So let's go to the Claude. I'm already logged into my Claude account. If you do not have Claude account, you can simply go to claude.ai and create a new account. I'm using a free account here. You will see it here, free plan. And I have already installed the Claude app on my laptop. If you do not want to install the app, you can still use it in the browser. Go to claude.ai and create your account. When you open the Claude, in the left hand panel, you will see different options. Let's go to customize, and at the top you will see skills. So let's go to skills. I already have some skills created which I can use for the repetitive task. At the top you will see plus icon. Click on plus and click on create skill, and here you will see three different options: create with Claude, write skill instruction, or upload a skill. Now here you can create a skill using Claude's AI feature. If you already have all the instructions, you can write the skill instructions and it will follow that instruction. If you have someone else's skill that you want to upload, you can upload it from here. In this case, I'm going to use create with Claude. So let's click on create with Claude, and now the Claude is going to help you to create a skill. Now here is the prompt that I'm going to use: create a new skill to write SEO optimized blog post for a website. Name the skill as new SEO optimized article. So I'm going to instruct the Claude that the name of the skill should be new SEO optimized article. This is just an example. Whatever name you want, you can enter the name there. Below that, I have some more instructions. I will add following inputs: topic for the article, YouTube video link for the reference, and target keyword. Now in this case, I want to create an article for the YouTube video. That's why I have the input as YouTube video link for the reference. If you do not want that, you can simply remove that option. And the input will be then topic for the article and the target keywords. So that means we are going to enter the topic for the article and the target keyword, and the Claude AI will generate the entire article. Below that, we have you are an expert SEO strategist, content researcher, and professional blog writer. So this is the role that the Claude AI is going to perform. Your job is to take a topic, a YouTube video reference, and a target keyword and produce a fully SEO optimized blog post, 3000 plus words, how to schema and FAQ schema, a downloadable Word document containing the complete article. So the final output will be a complete downloadable Word document. Understand the target keyword. So it is going to understand the target keyword, perform the deep keyword research, search Google for the target keyword, analyze the top 3 ranking blog post or articles. So it is going to search Google for the same keyword, and it is going to analyze the top 3 results for each competitor, analyze the content structure, content quality, SEO and weakness, create a content strategy that improves upon all the competitors. Follow the on-page SEO checklist for the standard 3000 plus word blog post. SEO checklist should include meta title, meta description, SEO title, URL slug, H1, H2, H3 headings, FAQ section, write 3000 plus blog article, and before finalizing the article, verify against the on-page checklist. So it is going to verify the article against the on-page checklist. It is going to make sure that all the parameters are fulfilled. Generate schema markup, how to FAQ and article schema. After writing the full article schema, create a downloadable Word document. Include detailed instructions to create the SEO optimized blog post article, which may rank higher in search results for a target keyword. So I'm going to copy this entire prompt. Let's go to Claude, and we are going to ask the Claude to use these instructions and create a skill. So let's enter the instruction, and it is going to take 2 or 3 minutes to create a skill. Alright, so the skill is ready. Here you will see the description, full end-to-end SEO article writing skill. Use this skill whenever the user provides a topic, a YouTube video link for the reference, and a target keyword, and wants a complete SEO optimized blog post, 3000 plus words. Here you will see new SEO optimized article. This is going to be the name of the skill. You are an expert SEO strategist, content researcher, and professional blog writer. Your job: take a topic, YouTube video reference, and target keyword and produce a fully SEO optimized blog post, how to FAQ and article schema, a downloadable Word documents. Here you will see the inputs. We are going to add topic, video link, and target keyword. Again, if you do not want to use video link, you can delete that from the instruction. Step 1, it is going to understand the target keyword, identify the search intent, informational, commercial, transactional, or navigational. Step 2 is deep keyword research. Perform the deep keyword research and organize findings into these groups: primary keyword, long tail keywords, secondary, and question keywords. Step 3 is SERP and competitors analysis. Search Google for the target keyword and analyze the top 3 ranking for each competitor. Analyze these areas. Then step 4 will be superior content strategy, more comprehensive, actionable, and up-to-date, better structured and easier to read, cover every gap competitors missed, stronger FAQs, examples, and practical guidelines. Step 5 will be SEO content outline, SEO title, meta title, URL slug, H1, H2, H3, FAQ, and conclusion. Step 6 will be write the full article. Writing style will be conversational, professional, and engaging. Active voice. Average sentence length will be 15 to 20 words. Paragraph will be 2 to 4 lines each. SEO requirements: primary keyword in H1, keyword density between 0.5 to 1.5%, secondary and semantic keywords, no keyword stuffing. And here you will see some structure requirements, content quality requirements. Step 7 will be on-page SEO validation. It is going to go through the SEO checklist. Here you will see the checklist. At the end, it is going to create how to and FAQ and article schema. Step 9 will be create a Word document. Now this is going to be the entire process that Claude AI will follow to generate the blog post article. If you want to improvise it, if you want to add more points, or if you want to delete any point from these instructions, you can add instruction here. You can instruct the Claude to make changes to this skill. And these are the important rules. Do not copy or plagiarize any competitor's content. Stop keywords unnaturally or repetitively. These are the do nots, and these are the always. Add unique insights beyond what any competitors cover. Directly address the competitors' content gaps. These are some examples, and this is the example output summary. Alright, so this one looks good. I'm going to click on Save Skill, and a skill will be created. Right, so you will see that skill saved. Let's go to Customize again and go to Skills, and you will see new skill is there. New SEO optimized article, and you will see all the instructions here. Now you can use this skill to generate the blog post article. Here I have another skill, SEO Blog Writer Pro. It is the same skill that I created before, and I'm going to use that skill to generate article. All right, so let's go back. Let's go to new chat. Okay, now we are going to ask the Claude to generate a new article. I'm going to start with use the skill. This is the skill name and topic. I have one video on how to create a website using Elementor template kit. I want to write an article for the same topic, so let's go back, enter the topic here, and I'm going to enter the YouTube video link, and after that I'm going to enter the target keyword will be, let's say, Elementor template kit. All right, so here I'm going to change. All right, so the topic is how to create website using Elementor template kit. I have one YouTube video link, and I have the target keyword, and I'm going to ask the Claude to generate the blog post article. All right, SEO optimized blog post using the skill. Now you don't even need to write this sentence here. I'm going to hit enter. Now it is going to write the article for the same topic. All right, so here you will see that the new article is ready. At the top we have SEO metadata, title, description, URL slug, target keyword, and these are the secondary keywords. Then we have the article, Elementor template kit, how to create a complete website in 2026, step-by-step guide. Table of content is there, and if I scroll down, you will see the entire article is there. We have comparison, free versus pro. Scroll down, you will see some steps, how to use the template kit, common mistakes. Then we have frequently asked questions about Elementor template kits, and these are the FAQs, conclusion. Then we have suggested internal links, suggested external links, and these are the schema markup, FAQ schema, how to schema, and SEO checklist. I can download this document. Let's download the Word document. Okay, so here we have the new document. All right, so you will see the checklist here. All the checks are validated. So this is going to be an SEO optimized article that you can publish on your website. You can create a skill and use that skill to generate more articles. You don't need to enter the same prompts again and again to generate articles. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to publish more videos on Claude AI use cases. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.